Digital marketing is often made out to be way more complicated than it actually is, which is a shame because when it comes to e-commerce, mastering digital marketing is the difference between growing an audience and making sales or giving away all your customers to your competition. With so much industry jargon and so many channels to choose from, it is very easy to feel overwhelmed. But when you understand the fundamentals, digital marketing is actually quite straightforward. That's why, in this video, I'm going to break it down simply. You'll learn more about digital marketing in a few minutes than most training programs teach you in 40 hours.
I'm learning so much.
If you want to get the best results possible from your marketing efforts, you're going to want to stick around. If you've just stumbled upon this channel, welcome. We're an official Shopify channel that helps give you the knowledge that you need to start and grow your online business. So if you're an entrepreneur, make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you're not missing out on any future videos. Too many businesses spread themselves thin trying to tackle too many digital marketing channels all at once. They constantly rush into the next new trending marketing channel without ever thinking about their strategy first. This is a huge mistake because the channels that will work for your business are going to largely depend on who your target audience is, where they hang out, and what your business goals are. When it comes to marketing your business online, you don't need to be everywhere all at once. You just need to be where your customers are. So, to avoid this mistake, you want to focus your efforts on your strategy first. Here's a simple 3-step framework to build a rock-solid marketing strategy. And I like to call it the 3 M's. Number 1, market. Who are the people your business is serving? What is their age, their income level? Where do they live? What are their values, attitudes, and lifestyles? Where do they spend their time when they're online? Number 2, message. What are your target market's problems and frustrations? How is your business in a unique position to solve them? Number 3, media. Which digital channels are you going to choose? What type of content are you going to create? If you've done the strategy work above, you should have a solid idea of where your customers hang out and what kinds of content they enjoy. If you want to learn more about marketing strategy and creating irresistible content, I recommend that you download this free digital marketing plan template. Learn how to create content that breaks through the noise, provides value to your audience, and makes you more online sales. You can get to it by clicking the link right here or down in the description below. And don't worry, it won't stop this video. It'll just open a new tab so that you can have it ready when you're done watching here. All right, with the strategy out of the way, let's dive right into the tactics. Here we go. Generally speaking, a well-rounded digital marketing strategy encompasses multiple channels. Here are some digital marketing tactics that I recommend most e-commerce brands use to promote their business. Number 1, social media marketing. Did you know that Facebook has 2.3 billion monthly active users? Instagram has 1 billion, and TikTok, which is now one of the fastest growing social media platforms, has 205 million downloads. Our ability to reach people is unlike any other time in history. Social media is a great tool to use to show off the benefits of your products and your services, build meaningful relationships with customers, and of course, acquire new ones. So there's 2 ways that you can actually do this. You can create organic posts without any paid promotion behind them to help build brand awareness and interaction. This also helps to keep you in touch with your followers and lift engagement on your content. However, there's a small catch to this. The visibility of your organic posts lies in the hands of the algorithm. In other words, there's no guarantee the people that you hope will see your posts will actually see them. This is where paid promos come in. You can leverage the massive amount of insights that social media offers to specifically show your posts to your target audience. Using a combination of both organic and paid ads is a method used in the marketing strategies of the most successful brands on Shopify. Now, I know that most people who think of digital marketing will automatically think of social media first, but let's take a quick minute to talk about another important piece of the digital marketing puzzle. That is our number 2, email marketing. 96% of people ages 12 and up use email, and if you're offering what they're looking for, many are willing to sign up to a newsletter or promotion if they find value in it. Just think of yourself. When was the last time you were willing to give your email in exchange for a deal or information or even updates on a new product? Your email marketing strategy can include both sales and non-salesy campaigns. You can use this platform to inform customers of launches and offers and discounts. You can also use it to provide value to your customers by sharing ways on how they can enhance the use of your product or your service. You can share your blogs or even just check in and say hello, which is a great way to strengthen relationships with your supporters. You can even use an email marketing software to segment your list and send out more customized content to groups, like say, people who have ordered more than 5 times, or people who haven't ordered in 6 months. The possibility for personalization with email is endless. Number 3, SEM and SEO. SEM stands for Search Engine Marketing, and SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Now this, my friends, is the art of making yourself findable on the world's search engines.
Google it.
While there are many search engines, Google tops the list and is your best place to start if you're thinking of incorporating an SEM or SEO strategy in your digital marketing plan. With SEM, you can run pay-per-click ads based on the keywords you think your customers are entering into Google when looking for your product. SEO is the organic, unpaid way to make sure that your website is findable on the back end. We'll include a link in the description to a free SEO checklist to help ensure that your website ranks higher in the search results. Number 4, content marketing. Now, content marketing is another form of digital marketing. It's a great tool to build awareness and authority in your niche, and it can even help in your relationship building efforts, both with new and existing customers. Most e-commerce businesses do this in the form of blogs on their website, or by cross-promoting on other blogs and websites, which, by the way, does help your SEO ranking. Content marketing should ideally be more informative and educational instead of sales-focused. You really want the readers of your content to feel like they got value and they learned something new. Number 5, remarketing. Lastly, let's talk about remarketing. It's a great way to grow your business because it's always easier to get a second sale from an existing customer than acquiring a new customer altogether. Remarketing focuses on who you already have in order to better understand their purchasing behavior. So here's an example. Let's say you own a tea company and your customer Emma usually restocks her tea order every 3 months. But 4 months have gone by and you haven't seen an order from Emma. Let's focus in on her and other customers like her by simply reaching out and letting her know about your new autumn tea blend. People's lives change and sometimes get busy, but a good nudge from you can remind her that it's time to restock on her favorite tea. If you don't have a website yet, then you also have a problem. You need a place to send your customers. But don't worry, because you can make one in hours using Shopify's free trial. Shopify has tons of powerful tools that help you find customers, drive sales, and manage your day-to-day. Click the link in our description box below to get a free, no strings attached trial so that you can test out all the features for yourself. Digital marketing is vast, and there's a lot to learn about the different methods and strategies available for your business. I've included several helpful links in the description to help you dive a little deeper. The great thing is, if you're just starting out, you can test out different strategies with as large or as small a budget as you can afford. You definitely don't have to break the bank on your digital marketing efforts. We hope this video was helpful in introducing you to some options to help you get started. The only thing left to do at this point is make a cup of tea and start working on your digital marketing strategy to grow your business. I'm Daniel Lewis and look forward to seeing you on the next video.